Yo, what's up guys? Hope you guys enjoy the track edit and the rebuild of Jeremy's WRX. He said it's running fucking tits. So he's got to break it in and then start pushing some power. I'm excited for that one. I'll do a update on it once he breaks it in and all that. Because I know he has a bunch of goodies like rims and I don't know what he's gonna do with it. It's just crazy. But right now I'm just gonna clean up this fucking mess. And then finally some 240 content and some Evo content. Check it out though. The homie Hector's Evo. You guys haven't seen this because it's not running. I thought they were supposed to be reliable, huh? Shit's clean though. I ain't lying. Fucking, we got everything out here. Honda, Mitsubishi, Nissan, Chevy, Subaru. I just cleaned up a little bit, you know, just so I could start working on the 240 because I need a lot of maintenance. But yeah, check it out. One JZ. Nah, I'm just playing. Fucking single cam wag. We're gonna try our best. You know, gotta learn how to drift some, like with low power. Skill over power always, you know. But yeah, we gotta do some maintenance on this shit. Probably spark plugs, oil. My pump's going out, so I gotta replace that. Get a battery tie down. Gotta bleed the brakes all around. Got some fresh tires for the fronts. I'm just gonna throw some burners in the rear. I got transmission mount, motor mounts, and now we're just gonna get to work. Yo, check it out guys. I've just been fucking trying to figure out this power steering leak. What I've been reading is it's a very common issue on these 240s. So I've just been cleaning. Fucking check out all this grease I just took out. Holy shit. This thing needs a good ass wash. But now I'm gonna be doing my transmission mount. So now I gotta take that shit out. I got the ISR polyurethane mount. Finally got the transmission mount fucking done. Check it out. It's kind of dark in here, but finally no movement. Just drained the oil, took out the filter. Fucking now I'm gonna go pick up spark plugs and some oil. Oh, who's a good girl? All right, now to AutoZone. Back from AutoZone. Fucking doing my spark plugs, and the wires decided to break, so I had to go back and go get some. So luckily they had one in stock. So I already switched all my spark plugs, just put new wires, oil, and got some goodies. My package got dropped off today. But yeah, fucking let's get it done. New wires, and this little part cost me fucking $15. Piece of shit. And I got some cheap ass Duralast wires. All the time. Got it. Yo, it sounds hella smooth with new spark plugs and the wires and oil. I literally haven't even gone through this car since I bought it. So shit, I got a lot of shit to do. I got a fuel filter I must replace tomorrow, and then just check for more leaks because I cleaned up all the power steering just to make sure, like if it's the pressure line or the return line, you know. So fuck it, it's running smooth, and I'm excited to drift this shit. Come check it out though, some good news. Ooh, what's up baby? You 240 fans might know what this is. Fuck, let's make some noise. Yo, Yup, Black Friday special, yo. I got excited and I already cut it open. Check it out. Boom. Yup, that beauty, yo. Some blast plates. I mean, some blast pipes. You like the exhaust? You like the exhaust? Knuckles. Oh shit. Let's install this before the sun goes down. Oh shit, what's that?
Hi.
What's up, baby?
We're about to order pizza.
Yeah. And install this exhaust. ISR. This beauty looks so sick. Damn. I'm excited. Let's get this on. Yo, it's gonna look so much nicer. Look at this janky ass fucking exhaust. Shout out to the homie Hector for this tool, man. Makes taking off the hanger so much easier. Shout out to ISR for the fucking solid grade 8 bolts, man. And these gaskets look pretty good. Boom. Damn, that thing fits so good. All right, babe, ready for a sound clip?
Yes.
And some round table pizza?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah. Let's hear this shit and let's go get some pizza. The exhaust note sounds really good. It's deep, but the car is warmed up. So at cold start, it might sound a little more loud. But yeah, check it out. I'm gonna give it a couple revs and we'll see how it sounds.
I don't want to be that close to it when it's loud.
Can I hear your ears? It's fucking loud. Shit. So that's it for today, right? Let's go eat some pizza. Deuces.